In this video I want to talk about fault code HA on a Midea air source heat pump. So HA tells us it's the Hydro Box plate heat exchanger water outlet temperature sensor. So nice and simple. If we go to our outdoor unit and have a look in the right hand side, or the Hydro Box as they like to call it, you can see at the top here of the PCB there's a massive plug with all the sensors connected, all different colours. And the one we're interested in is this yellow one. You can see it's disconnected. And if you look carefully in the unit, you will see a sensor here with a yellow tag on called TW water out. So if I plug this back in again, what will happen is the fault code will disappear as soon as I plug it in. So you can see the fault's already disappeared and it now says 21 degrees. This sensor, water outlet, if we look down the back, so you can see our heat exchanger here with the yellow sticker on. And at the bottom you can see a little red tag just over here. Somewhere. The other sensor, if we look carefully up high, it's very difficult to see with the phone, but up at the top of the heat exchanger, maybe we can see it just through here, see the little yellow tag in there and the fitting it goes into. This is where the sensor goes. So usually it would just be unplugged, but if it's cut you'll get the same fault code.